Slient Killer is the stage name of a Zimbabwean zimdancehall artist, nyemulonyeni. Slient Killer uses the tagline, ngirozi yehondo. He is popular for doing freestyles. However, he became mainstream in 2016. He has performed on rhythms by studios like Spot Records. He was born nyemulonyeni in 1991. Slient Killer grew up in Mbare. He attended Harare High. His music career started in 2006 when he was 15 while doing Form 2 at Harare High, where he would sing alongside gospel chanter Terminator. In 2007, he finally got the chance to record his debut song titled Sagare Dobu, meaning bag of weed. He made a comeback in 2023 by releasing a 41-song album titled ngwere. Throughout his career, Slient Killer had some challenges. On 25 November 2021, Slient Killer was arrested for alleged assault of DJ Fantan's brother, Tinashe. Slient Killer was arrested together with 2 others, but was later cleared for the charges. DJ Fantan and Slient Killer became enemies following the alleged assault that made him banished from Spot Records. Two, however, eventually ironed out their differences in March 2023. They were working together on a new rhythm titled Ria. Slient Killer is known for popular songs like Dicky, Type Yema Danzi, Dinda Kalokama Streets,